Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already shut down and unplugged the machine. Good. Now open the case and expose the CPU socket. Remove the old cooler by twisting the Intel push pins counterclockwise and pulling up steadily. If the stock cooler has pre-applied thermal paste, keep it. Otherwise, you must clean the CPU using 70% isopropyl and a lint-free cloth so mating surfaces are pristine. Once done, make sure the retention bracket clips are oriented toward the rear I/O. This prepares the board for seating the cooler correctly. You're ready to place the cooler. Align the 4 plastic push pins with the socket holes so the fan cable exits toward the rear exhaust for optimal airflow. Lower the cooler straight down until the base contacts the CPU, then press the push pins in diagonal pairs, top left then bottom right to distribute pressure evenly. You should hear firm clicks. If a pin won't engage, lift and realign rather than forcing it. After all pins click, gently wiggle the cooler to confirm it's flat and properly seated. Once the cooler is physically secure, route the fan cable cleanly and connect it to the CPU FAN header. Tie it away from blades so it won't catch. Close the case, reconnect power, and boot into BIOS to confirm the fan spins, and you see sensible CPU temps and RPMs. This verifies correct contact and orientation. If the fan is dead or temps are high, power down and recheck the push pins, ensure the cooler base sits flat, and confirm thermal paste coverage. Often a pin misaligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.